put the milk in the gravy? I'm definitely gonna run out of time, so I'm definitely gonna make the easiest gravy I can. I use water. I wasn't even taking notes, so that's the bad part. You put some oil in it. You can add some onions in with it to give it a little taste.
Serious, what you got going on over there?
This the little gravy going on. I can't keep talking, girl. Let me do this. It look horrible.
These don't seem to be cooking well, and I cooked it in that microwave. Mashed potatoes and chicken cordon bleu. Well, they kind of go hand in hand like that. The mashed potatoes did not turn out well, so I'm gonna try to beautify it with some cheese in hopes that they won't notice as much. All right, these onions are burning.
Those onions are like charcoal.
All right, let's see what we did here. Who knows? They might like burnt onions.
Oh, and he's doing it, he's doing it, he's doing it.
I don't know about that. I can only imagine what these chefs will say.
I just can't eat this.
Burnt onions are not a good idea. What am I going to do now? Hold on. And then I heard someone talking in my ear.
Scoop out all the bad onions. Let's not use them.
I have this solution. So I go through and kind of pick out the very best ones. You're gonna use the good stuff. These are good here.
Oh my gosh, what's that?
What is that?
Joelle, what is that?
Orange chicken.
Orange chicken. You don't say.
I'm always eating Chinese, and I love orange chicken. Y'all ain't had no chicken this orange, honey. I know that for sure.
Wait a minute. I'm scared.
Wow, this is so amazing.
What made that orange like that?
Orange food coloring will make orange chicken. Part of my strategy, which is failing miserably, is grabbing every single thing that you will ever need. Oh my gosh, I gotta cook all this. Where are the shallots? The problem is, it's all mixed up. What was this for? Why did I grab basil? We didn't even have basil. Oh man. Cut core of and fix them. My mind is a very cluttered and dangerous place. All right, so.
3, 4, 1, 2.
However, my focus is going to, I forgot what I just got hungry. So I was like, did anybody hear that? Y'all heard that. So peel the potato. Already peeled the potato. That was at the beginning. Oh, wait. What are snap peas for? I don't know who I am, where I am, what I am, how I am. Oh, no. I just poured hot grease on a plate. I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't know what's happening. I'm getting so scared. This is so stressful.
I saw a lot of salt going on this. I'm sorry.
It's salty.
Erica, come on up. Hello. Hi. Oh, wow. Very different color here. How did you find this process?
A little challenging. She's taking forever. I'm like, nah, I'm really about to sweat my weave up.
Your sauce is very salty. And your grits are a little bit under. Your bacon looks nicely cooked, but the whole dish comes across salty.
At least it's not spicy this time.
No. All right, Steve, come on up.
I'm working into my plate, and I'm starting to move slower and slower.
The slower you walk, it doesn't change anything.
I kind of feel like this is my funeral. The plate looks dead, and well, now I'm gonna be dead. It's what I call the tornado.
Your chicken is completely raw.
I know, I assumed.
I think that we've said enough,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. She's not as mean as she could have been.
There we go, thank you.
It is not sticky. That ain't sticky. I'm over here struggling, and I'm like, really, I'm like pushing. I'm like, why is that doing that?
Erica.
She about to yell at me.
Erica, do you hear me talking to you?
It ain't sticky.
Were there 5 eggs in there? I do
Yes.
not believe there was 5 eggs
It was 5. It was definitely 5.
Erica is sort of like a tornado.
The crazy thing about it, like, I know all this stuff. I just gotta get out of my head and slow down. That's my problem. I'm moving too fast and not paying attention to the steps.
How we
It's not
doing?
sticking.
Go get another egg.
I put the eggs in there.
Erica misses a lot of steps. Like, what did you do?
That is French fries, a glazed corn. Then we got a taco with just a little bit of meat in there just to tease you a little bit.
Is this a crispy or a soft taco?
It was a combination of both.
Okay. I feel like you could have done this before you got here. The ground beef itself is dry. The fries itself, they're not crispy, but I appreciate the drink and the extra effort.
Erica.
So I made a chicken stew with a side of a chicken breast and asparagus.
Okay. The choice of what you've made here is a little wacky. You know, chicken stew with a side of chicken. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like chicken, but there's a lot of chicken. Your stew, do you taste it?
No.
It's under-seasoned. So, chicken.
Oh,
Raw chicken is never gonna be okay,
I know.
okay?
I know my chicken will be raw, and all I can do at this point is wait and see what Chef Anne's gonna yell about.
I'm perplexed.
Okay, is it about the salad being off the chicken? I think I can explain.
Uh-huh.
I didn't want to poison you, so I thought I would just separate them so you could at least try my salad.
No, I'm not trying anything on this plate if there is raw chicken on it. Yeah, I can see that your chicken is not cooked. So, your salad looks a bit like...
I'm not freaking out. I'm not freaking out.
Right. I'm not freaking out. I'm not freaking out.
Yeah, I feel good.
I am panicking because I don't know how to pop, lock, and drop this lid. It's like you're trying to line up arrows and you have to crack the code.
He is definitely not understanding match, turn. There's no matchy here.
It's a mystery. You have to like match it up.
There we go.
Is my pot wrong? Like, because I'm not noticing the same thing. Do I have a faulty pot?
That's butter and sugar in there?
Yeah, first thing we have to do is cream our butter.
Let's get creamy.
Let's get creamy. Then we have to separate our egg yolk and the egg whites. Way more difficult than you would think it would be. But me and the yolks aren't friends. At least you got out.
Did you get the white?
I got the white. A win is a win. Probably the most stressful thing I've experienced. I messed up. I need another egg.
I'm trying to get this clump.
Try to pour it back in. What are you doing?
Not sure.
One more. Apparently, separating eggs is the scariest thing you can do.
They're very serious about having no yolk in the egg white, so I'm terrified.
Don't let it break in there.
That was a close one.
In and out, having to talk them through it.
Let the whites just fall down.
No.
I mean, the egg is a problem for everyone.
Got a little bit of yolk in there.
Ugh,
This isn't gonna beat up.
Okay.
So go get new eggs.
getting a little crazy.